previous video, we learned about the frames. Then how we learned how to create a frames. Then how to call a child window using frames. Now we'll continue with the frames in this video. We are going to study last two topics of the frame. First topic will be changing the content and focus of a child window. Okay, so the content of child window basically can be changed in from JavaScript by modifying the source web page for the child window. That is what we are going to do is, see below the example is given, we are going to create three frames, frame 1, frame 2 and frame 3, and we are going to replace frame 2 by frame 3. Okay, see the output then we'll discuss the code. See, this is the output. There are, see in the first window, there are two frames, frame 1 and frame 2. Frame 1 is on left hand side and frame 2 is on right hand side. Frame 1 has a button, click me. When you click on that button, see the second window, second output. In the second output, see when you click on the button on that frame 1, that is click me button, the frame 2 is replaced by frame 3. Okay, see, so let's see how are we going to replace frame 2 by frame 3 on a click of a button in frame 1. Okay. See, first we'll create our main page. So doc type HTML tag, then is your HTML tag. Then frame set, two columns we are going to create. First column is for frame 1 and second column is for frame 2. First column will be of 30% and second column will occupy the space of 70%. Okay. So for frame 1, frame source is equal to frame1.html and name of your frame 1 is left page. Then frame source is equal to frame2.html. The name of your second frame is right page. Okay. Then close your frame set tag and close your HTML tag. Okay. This is your main page where we are creating two columns, one for frame 1 and one for frame 2. Name of frame 1 is left page and frame 2 is right page. Okay. Now we'll create three different frames, that is three different HTML pages, frame1.html, frame2.html and frame3.html, and we will replace frame 2 by frame 3. Okay. Okay. So the frame 1 contains one button component. The code for it is follows. So frame 1 code, doc type HTML tag, then is your HTML tag, then is your head tag, then is the script tag. Okay, then function name is my function. So inside the function we have written parent dot write page dot location dot href is equal to frame3 dot html. That is what we have written parent dot write page. That inside the parent, which is write page is your frame 2. Okay, so the location of frame 2 is changed to frame3 dot html. So when you call this function, the uh, right page, that is your frame 2, will be replaced by frame 3. Close the function, close the script tag, close head, open body tag. Inside the body tag, just we are writing what frame 1. Okay, then we are taking a button click me. So form tag, input type is equal to button, name is equal to frame 1, value is what click me. And on click of the button, on click event we are calling the function. So on click of that button, the frame 2 will be changed to frame 3. So inside the function, what we have written, parent dot write page dot location dot href is equal to frame3 dot html. Okay, then close the form tag, close the body tag, and close the HTML tag. Okay, now in step 2, we'll write the code for frame. Okay, then doc type HTML tag, HTML, and head tag. Title of the frame is frame 2. Close the head tag, open body tag. Inside the body tag, write in h1 frame 2. Close body and close HTML. So the code, so inside the frame 2, just we have displayed what frame 2. Then next is the code for frame 3. Doc type HTML tag, HTML body. Inside body in H1 we have written frame 3 and below frame 3 we have written in paragraph tag. Note that the frame 3 is changed from frame 2 to frame 3. Close body and close HTML. So we have created three web pages. Now the fourth step is to get the output by loading the main. That is, we are going to call our main, open the output in main page. So this is your output. In first window, you have frame 1 and frame 2. When you click on the click me button, the frame 2 is changed to frame 3 in second output. Okay, I hope the code and output is clear to you all. Now we'll see the last topic of frames. That is what accessing the elements of another child window. So basically it is possible to change the element of one frame from another frame. Okay, that's what we are going to do over here. We are going to change the element of one frame from another frame. Okay, so let's see, we'll see with the help of the example. Here we are going to change the label of a button of right frame from the left. We see the output first. Okay, this is your output. Now what we are going to do is, initially you have two frames. We have two frames, frame 1 and frame 2. So frame 1 has button click me and frame 2 has button click. So the button has label click. In frame 2 the button has label click. So when you click on that click me button in frame 1, the name of the label of your second frame button, that is click, should be changed to calculate. See in the below output, when you click, see on the first output, when you click on the click me button, see the second output. The label of frame 2 is changed from label of button of frame 2, that is click, is changed from click to calculate. Okay. So what we are going to do over here, from frame 1 we are changing the label of button of frame 2. Okay, from click to calculate. Okay, let's see the code. Okay, so it is possible to change the elements of one frame from another. See the example. Step 1. We will write the main JavaScript file which will load both the frames, frame 1 and frame 2. So doc type HTML, HTML tag, frame set calls. You have two columns, that is two frame, two vertical columns. One occupies 30% and second is of 70%. Then frame source is equal to frame1.html, name of the page is left page. Frame source is equal to frame2.html, name of the page is right page. Close frame set tag and close HTML tag. Okay. Next. Next, we are going to write the frame 1 code. Okay. So the frame 1 contains a single button. We expect that on clicking of this button, the label of button element of second button should be changed. Okay. So from here we are going to change the label. Okay. So HTML tag, head tag, script tag. Inside the script tag, we are going to write a function in order to change the label of button from second frame. Okay. So parent dot write page dot form 2 dot frame 2 dot value. Parent is your parent page, write page is your frame 2 page, dot your form 2, that is your second form, dot frame 2 dot value is equal to calculate. That is, we are going to change the value of click to calculate. Okay. Close the function, close script, close head, then body tag. Inside the body tag in H1, we have written what? Frame 1, then close your H1 tag. Open the form tag. Inside the form tag, we are going to take a button, click me. So input type is equal to button, name is equal to frame 1, value of the button is click me, and on click we are going to call the function. That is, on click of click me button, the label of the button, label of your frame 2 button which is click is going to be changed to calculate. Okay. Close form tag, close body and close HTML. Now we'll write the code for frame 2. Okay. The second frame contains a single button element. So doc type HTML tag, then is your HTML tag, then is your head tag. Title is frame 2, close head tag, open body tag. Inside the body tag in H1 we have written frame 2, then take a button. Form name is equal to form 2. Here we have to specify the name of the form, okay, since we are using it in the function in form 1. So input type is equal to button, name is frame 2, value is equal to click. So initially its value is what? Click. Okay. Close form, close body and close HTML. Step 4 is to open the output in of main window in any of the browser. Okay, so this is your output. There are two frames, frame 1, frame 2. Frame 1 has button click me, frame 2 has button click. So when you click on that click me button from frame 1, the label of frame 2 button click is changed from click to cancel. Okay. I hope both the codes are clear to you all. So thank you.